Students, good evening. As the evening session is going on, so I welcome you once again in biology classes with Chandrikant sir. Student, as you already know that we are dealing the chapter human health and diseases. So in this chapter, student, our today's lecture is totally based on diseases caused by multicellular pathogen, that is the helminthic diseases. Clear? So board examination में student question is often asked कि name any two diseases which are caused by the multicellular pathogen. Clear? So multicellular pathogen means what? Diseases caused by the helminths. So we have two diseases in our syllabus, that is the Ascariasis and Filariasis. Clear, student? These are the two important diseases which are included in our syllabus. Clear? Till now we have completed typhoid, we have completed pneumonia, we have completed amoebiasis, we have completed malaria. Clear? Pneumonia we have already completed. Now let's begin the diseases caused by multicellular pathogen, that is the helminths. Clear? And the diseases are called as helminthic diseases. Clear? So we have two diseases, that is the Ascariasis and Elephantiasis. So let's begin about the Ascariasis. Clear, student? So पहला point क्या है? Causal organism. So this disease is caused by the roundworm. Clear? Scientific name is Ascaris lumbricoides. Clear? Ascaris lumbricoides, student, it's a endoparasite. Clear? याद रखिएगा, it's a endoparasite. Clear? Lives inside the body. Clear? Second चीज, infection कैसे फैलता है? How do we get the infection? Again through the contaminated fruits, vegetable and the water. Clear? Suppose that, student, a person is suffering from Ascariasis. Clear? Means Ascaris is there, roundworm is there inside the body of that person. Clear? Where it lays lots of thousands of eggs. Clear? So when these eggs comes out of the body of the infected person through the feces. Clear? So what happens to those eggs? They are carried by the water or the wind. ठीक है ना? And thus the fruits and the vegetable as well as the water, they get infected. Clear? And if a healthy person consume such infected fruits or uncooked vegetable, clear, or the raw vegetable and the raw fruits without washing properly, so the eggs they are ingested very easily. Clear? Similarly, contaminated water, when they contain the eggs, again through the water the eggs enter in the body. Clear? So mode of infection is intake of contaminated fruit, contaminated vegetables, uncooked fruit. Clear? Uncooked vegetables. Clear? So इस तरह से तो इन्फेक्शन फैलता है, स्टूडेंट. क्लियर? अब होता क्या है, सिम्टम्स क्या है? व्हाट आर द सिम्टम्स? सिम्टम्स, कॉमन सिम्टम्स, एब्डोमिनल पेन. The target organ of this endoparasite is the intestine. It resides in the intestine of the human being. So the common symptom पहला क्या है? Abdominal pain. Clear? Then indigestion, muscular pain. Or when all these things occur inside the body, then fever persists. Clear? Mild to moderate fever, it continues. So fever. Then since this parasite invades the intestinal mucosa or intestine, then blood vessels they get ruptures, internal bleeding takes place and the person suffer from the anemia. Clear? So anemia due to internal bleeding. Then nausea, headache, intestinal blockage in severe cases. अगर पेशेंट ध्यान नहीं देगा तो ढेर सारे एस्कैरिस उसके इंटेस्टाइन में डेवलप हो जाएंगे and the entire intestine gets blocked. Clear? So these are the common symptoms in case of Ascariasis. Clear, student? You have got the idea about the mode of infection, कैसे फैलता है, Once again I am telling you, the eggs of the parasites are excreted along with the feces of the infected person, which contaminate the water, soil and the plants. ये इस तरह से फैलता है. क्लियर. अब प्रिवेंशन क्या है? प्रिवेंशन में पर्सनल हाइजीन को मेंटेन करके रखना, हाइजीनिक कंडीशन को मेंटेन करके रखना. क्लियर स्टूडेंट. ये हमारा प्रिवेंटिव मेजर्स में आता है. क्लियर. प्रिवेंटिंग एक्सपोजर टू अनहाइजीनिक कंडीशन. नेल्स काट के रखने चाहिए. वी शुड ऑल्सो टेक द फ्रेश वाटर, क्लीन वाटर. द फ्रूट एंड द वेजिटेबल शुड बी वॉश्ड प्रॉपरली बिफोर यूज. क्लियर. और मेडिसिन कौन सी है? विच आर द मेडिसिन? नाउअडेज द कॉमन मेडिसिन आर एल्बेंडाजोल, मेबेंडाजोल. देन oils are also given. Which oil? Oils are there. Chinopodium oil. Then tetrachloroethylene. Tetrachloroethylene is given. Chinopodium oil is also given. Clear? So these kills the worms. Clear? So anti-worm tablets. अभी मैंने आपको बताया albendazole. Clear? Different names are there in the market. है ना? So these are the, you can say, treatment. When we are taking medicine means we are going to treat the disease. Clear? Preventive measure में क्या है student? We never treat. We do all those things which prevent the disease. Prevention में यही आता है. So prevention is better than cure. Clear student? So in this way I have explained you about the ascariasis. Clear? So आप देखो फिगर बना हुआ है स्टूडेंट. दिस इज द फीमेल एस्कैरिस, इट इज लॉन्गर, एंड दिस वन इज द मेल एस्कैरिस. क्लियर. दिस डिजीज इज रिलेटेड टू योर प्रैक्टिकल स्पॉटिंग में भी जनरली इट इज आस्क्ड. क्लियर. सो यू गो थ्रू विद द क्लास 11th एनसीईआरटी एनिमल किंगडम चैप्टर आप पढ़ो, हेलमिंथिस के बारे में पढ़ो. यू विल गेट द आइडिया अबाउट दीज टू वर्म्स. क्लियर स्टूडेंट. सो लेट्स कंक्लूड here, and now I will start the next disease, that is the filariasis. Clear? So student, now let's continue the another helminthic disease, that is the elephantiasis. अभी मैंने आपको ascariasis के बारे में बताया. Now let me explain about the elephantiasis. Clear? This is also known as the filaria disease. Clear student? Or it is also known as हाथी चक, हाथी पांव, फील पांव. Different names are given to this disease. Clear? So first point is the causal organism or causative agent. The multicellular pathogen or helminth is the Wuchereria bancrofti. This is one species, bancrofti. Another is malai, Wuchereria malai. Clear? Wuchereria bancrofti and Wuchereria malai. These are the two different species. Clear? That cause this disease filariasis. Clear? इसका नाम filaria क्यों पड़ा, filariasis क्यों पड़ा स्टूडेंट? This germ is, or this pathogen is just like the thread, just like the thread. यानी इसका नाम पड़ा filar से, F-I-L-A-R. Filar means thread. Clear? So hence this disease is filariasis. Clear student? अब बारी आती है vector of the disease. Clear? So vector of the disease is the female culex. Certain portion of this parasite, it life cycle का कुछ हिस्सा culex में complete होता है. Clear? So female culex mosquito. Clear student? This is the vector, common vector of which disease? Filariasis. Clear? अब हम लोग बात करते हैं स्टूडेंट symptoms की. What are the various symptoms? Clear? So symptoms are chronic inflammation of the organ in which they persist for longer period. यानी आप देखो ध्यान से, chronic inflammation. क्लियर? यानी स्वेलिंग हो जाती है, सूजन हो जाती है. हाथ और पैर यानी लिम्फ्स में ये जाते हैं तो दे कॉज स्वेलिंग, लिम्फ नोड में स्वेलिंग हो जाती है. क्लियर? सो दे कॉज क्रॉनिक इन्फ्लेमेशन इन द ऑर्गन वेयर दे परसिस्ट फॉर मेनी इयर्स, फॉर लॉन्गर पीरियड यू कैन से. एंड which part of the body is generally affected? So normally these endoparasites, they affect the lymph vessels, clear, of lower limbs. लोअर लिम्फ ने पैर के, क्लियर, रिजल्टिंग इन द स्वेलिंग. अब वो पैर बहुत मोटा मोटा हो जाता है, दैट बिकम यू कैन से जस्ट लाइक द इट एलिफेंट्स लेग, क्लियर, हाथी के पैर जैसा बड़ा बड़ा, दैट इज व्हाई दिस इज कॉल्ड एज हाथी चक, क्लियर. सो बहुत ज्यादा स्वेलिंग हो जाती है स्टूडेंट, क्लियर. दिस इज द साइन ऑफ एलिफेंटियासिस, क्लियर. सो यानी दिस कंडीशन, दिस swelling, when swelling takes place, this condition is known as the elephantiasis. So this disease is known as filaria as well as the elephantiasis. So there should not be any confusion, clear student. So in this disease, genital organs are also affected, clear, and they become deformed, clear. Genital organs are also affected, clear, leading to deformities, clear students. So this was about the disease filaria, clear student. I have given the content which are there in the NCERT. I am not going beyond NCERT, clear student, क्योंकि उसकी कोई जरूरत है नहीं. नीट एग्जामिनेशन में इतना ही पूछा जाता है, इतने पोर्शन से पूछा जाता है, क्लियर. नाउ फाइलेरिया का यू कैन से प्रिवेंटिव मेजर क्या है? सो वेक्टर से बचना, डिस्ट्रॉय द वेक्टर्स, क्लियर. अपना बचाओ, पूरा शर्ट पहनिए, पूरी बाजू का शर्ट पहनिए, क्लियर स्टूडेंट. सो उसके अलावा मॉस्कुलर रिपेलेंट क्रीम्स वी कैन यूज, है ना. सो इन दिस वे स्टूडेंट, आई जस्ट वांट टू कंक्लूड माय लेक्चर टुडे which was purely based on ascariasis and elephantiasis, clear student. Next video mein I will come with the another disease, that is the diseases caused by fungus. Perhaps this is the last disease. After that I will teach you AIDS separately, cancer separately, clear student. So till then watch my video carefully, nicely, clear. So thank you very much for listening me, for watching me. Have a nice day students.